Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a super fun at-home fall and Halloween shop with me. I am so excited to be doing this. We are going to get a little taste of the season, so let's go ahead and get started. Look how cute. This is so soft. It's $9.99. It's so cute. This is so cute too. The witch is in. Ah, oh, that is darling. This is really cute. These just have a whole bunch of pumpkins. That's really cute. So I'm gonna just let you peek real quick and look at the florals. This is all the fall florals. Really pretty colors. Then over here, they have some of the lights. If you guys wanted to string lights up, if that's what you do for Halloween. These are really cool. That's cool. Look, turn it on, see what it does. That's really cool. $34.99. Cute. It looks like a little ladder. Let's see how much this is. $30. That's really cute. I like the cat because you could actually put a vinyl on that or use chalk and do like, you know, like a date, like a countdown or something cute, or maybe like an initial if you want to do. I like that a lot. So then you guys have a collection of like your hanging. I guess you could hang these from anywhere, from trees or wherever. And then if you look at her face and then walk, going back, pretty face. Oh my gosh, that's creepy. The checkered pumpkin. That to me is to die for. I love that, love that, love that. You could even do something like if you took the top of this off and then had that on top and hot glue it, and then take another one and put it like that and do like a little like tower. How cute would that be? I'm not gonna be buying anything yet, but I see a lot of really cute stuff. pretty cute. That'd be cute to fill like with some glittery pumpkins. Okay, so that was all of the Halloween stuff. I'm now gonna go ahead and show you guys all of the fall, Thanksgiving, harvest type stuff. You guys, they have the cutest things. Now moving on to fall, harvest. I love that they have like the muted colors this year. I focused on these really nice muted colors. I think they're so beautiful, but I will tell you, I still really like regular traditional pops of orange, rust. I like those still. And I want to remind you guys, if you see something, like say something like this, you don't, you like it, but you want to add things, take it apart, reconstruct it. That's what's fun. Make it personal, make it your own. I do that with almost everything I have. I do something a little different with it, even if it's like spray painting it, adding additional foliage or florals. It just doesn't matter. Make it your own, make it personal. This is a really huge wreath. I cannot tell you how big this is. And they are $40 each, so $39.99. I'm gonna kind of back up and let you just see like a round, like more of a solid view of it all. So we're kind of moving from the muted colors and coming on to more of the traditional. This is beautiful. That is so vibrant. I actually think I'd like that wreath there with some of the blackberries there. Say the foliage is really nice. I think I would prefer Hobby Lobby's if I were selling a wreath, but for myself I think those are really, really pretty. Those are definitely more affordable than Michael's. However, if you can get a coupon at Michael's, I mean, you can't beat that. Onto the pillows. Oh my goodness. And this is like velvet feeling. That pillow right there is gorgeous. How much is it? Because I have got to come back and get it. It is $14.99. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me know in the comments below, when do you guys start decorating for fall? YouTubers do it way early, but that is because we have to get everything out to inspire you guys. So I will get all of my decor out early and it goes away early. I love adding these picks to my flowers instead of having to buy like all new flowers. You can just add a pick and it's just like a cheap little upgrade. The basket is too cute. $39.99 for the little one and $59.99 for the larger one. Would be cute in a set of 3. These are really, really heavy, but look. I'm just gonna stage it in a set of 3, or you could even do something like this back here. Somehow, like, have it just poking through, you know? I don't know, it's not going. I don't have enough room to organize it, but these are really heavy, really nice. $24.99. Those are really pretty. Remember, when you decorate, everything is supposed to be in odd numbers. I don't know why. It's just like the rule of thumb. Obviously, you have to do what works for you, but that's just what I have learned and what I have heard. Love that little truck with the little muted pumpkin. Oh my goodness, that is so precious. And for all your blue color lovers like me, look how cute this pumpkin is. Oh my goodness, he's $8.99. You guys know me. I'm always looking for a deal. I'm always looking for some sort of sale, so I will wait. This right there, look at that. Oh goodness. So these blue pumpkins I'm just loving so much, you guys. Look at this. This one is $16.99. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. And then the cable knit sweater ones. So precious. So cute. And then we're gonna get to the more of the muted look. I'm so ready for fall, but I'm just trying to take it easy because I know as soon as it gets here, it will be gone. These are so cute. I think I could try to make these for cheaper. How much are they? $4.99. We can make that. And these right here, you can go to Salvation Army. Just go get an old sweater from wherever. Don't spend a lot of money on it. Tear it apart. Get one of those Dollar Tree pumpkins and cover it. This is $7.99. The large one's $12.99. You can get a large one for $1 and find an old sweater to put that on. You do not have to spend the price, you guys. How cute. I love monogram. I think it's the Southern Girl in me. A little butter. They have a ton of cute stuff, but I'm telling you, this pillow, oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna come back and get that pillow when I can, so. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this at-home shop with me. I'm going to be doing a lot of these. If you are new, will you consider subscribing? I'd love for you to join me. I am so excited to be doing this with you guys, and I thank you all. See you soon. Bye.